Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press that subscribe button down below and the notification bell next to it so that you're notified when I put new content out on Sundays and some Thursdays every week regarding Lux life and anything girly. So guys, for today's video, it's a little different. I wanted to talk about how I clean my Damier Ebene bags. Now, if you are an LV lover or you're versed in the LV world, you know that this is probably the most carefree canvas and leather that you can have as far as Louis Vuitton items, because it can pretty much look new, you know. It withstands rain, it withstands snow. So today I just kind of want to share with you guys how I keep mine looking new, how I clean off the watermarks that you can get on it and buff out some scratches. So before I show you guys that specific trick that I normally do for myself, let me go through each bag and show you what exactly I'm going to focus on today. So let me get closer. So I'm up close. Let me show you what I'm going to focus on. Obviously the whole bag is going to get wiped down and cleaned, but I want to show you what I'm focusing on for cleaning this bag. So you guys see that mark? I don't know if it's a scratch or a watermark, so we'll get that too. I've got some down here, so that spot and that spot. And then as far as the sides, that looks pretty clean actually. I did well. I get a lot of coffee on this, which is terrible, but it looks like I have some watermarks over here that I need to focus on as well. The handles and the tabs are pretty good. This one has a lot of gunk on it. I don't know if it's water or coffee, so we'll work on that. And those two are pretty good. The key bell itself looks clean. The back has a little bit on that side, so we'll get that done too. But the handles, like I said, are still looking beautiful. So we will focus on those parts. This handle has a bit of residue there, so we'll get that out and we'll get our bag looking pristine. The canvas itself, I can see something. It might not show up in camera, but it's right there. It's probably a coffee drop. Yeah, so that's it for the Alma. Let's look at the Speedy. All right, so the sides of the Speedy, I see some there. You guys can see that. So I use these water wipes. You can also use the Pampers sensitive wipes. Those are also very, very good for your cleaning your canvas and your leather area of your bags. So the first thing I do is I wipe down the whole bag, get all the grime out, get all the dirt. I take it apart as well, take the luggage tags off, and get in the nooks and crannies of the bag. The bottom part of this bag got some gunk on it from my toddler's fingers, and it's pretty sticky, but it was fresh, so I knew I was going to be able to get it out. After it dries, I use the Bick leather conditioner all over the leather portions of the bag, in addition to spot treating problematic areas later, which I will show you. I use a soft cloth and just get all over the leather and give it a nice conditioning. After the conditioning dries, I look at certain areas, and as you can see, there are still tiny marks that were left even after I cleaned it with water wipes and conditioned. So these specific areas I will condition again. I will condition like spot treating and then letting it dry. So this is spot treating the certain areas. I put a little bit of conditioner again on my cloth and just rub in circular motions on that specific area and letting it dry. I didn't include the other clips just so the video will be a little bit shorter, but you get the gist of it. After it dries, I buff it with the dry portion of the rag, and I kind of make sure that the conditioner is laying softly and evenly on the whole bag. So once it dries, you want to buff it out so that it's not streaky. So this is the leather after I buffed it out. It is nice and shiny, no streaking, and I don't see any of those areas that I spot treated, as they are no longer there and your bag looks pristine again. So guys, I hope that helped you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments on the products that I use, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not a part of my YouTube family just yet, come on and join me. And I do put videos out on Sundays and some Thursdays every week regarding luxury items, life, and girly things. You know the drill. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that this helps you with your items, keeping them fresh, keeping them clean, keeping them looking brand new. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you and have a blessed day.